honestly, if it was up to me, this is the only way that I would prepare turkey for Thanksgiving. What is up? Carlos here from Smokin' Vine Barbecue. Today we are making Texas style smoked turkey breast. And to be completely honest, I don't know why more people don't make their turkey just like this. In my opinion, smoked turkey breast is totally one of the most underrated types of barbecue within the barbecue world. When it is done right, it is moist, it is tender, it is flavorful as hell, but best of all, it is so easy to make. So let's jump into it. All right, we're gonna start with our boneless turkey breast. Sometimes this is called a boneless turkey roast. This one came in a brine mixture, so no need to pre-brine. Now we're going to start on this ugly bottom side. We're gonna hit it with some 16 mesh, coarse black pepper. And after that black pepper, we're hitting it with some Smoke Mafia by Rub City. This is an all-purpose barbecue rub that is fantastic. Absolutely delicious on turkey. Now we're gonna flip this bird over and we're going to now season the presentation side. Now, one of the things that you're constantly doing while preparing this is shaping this into a nice little condensed roast. So now on that top side, we're hitting it with that black pepper. We're gonna go a little bit heavier than we did on the bottom side, and then we're hitting it with that Smoke Mafia by Rub City. I've got a link in the description below if you wanna pick some of this up at a discount. We're gonna make sure the whole top of this bird is completely covered with our rub. Now this is going on the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro. All right, this turkey has now hit 135 internal and it is looking beautiful, and now it is time to wrap. Yes, we are wrapping this in foil. It is going to go top side down. We're gonna add some butter, a little more rub, because we want this bird to braise. And before you come for me in the comments about the foil, every Texas joint I know uses foil to wrap their turkey. Now we're throwing down 4 pats of butter, and we're gonna add a little more Smoke Mafia on top of that butter. Then we're gonna press that turkey breast down into the butter, add some more pats of butter on top of the breast. Pulling out that Meter Pro, we're gonna add that back in after we wrap. A little more Smoke Mafia goes on the top. Now when we wrap this, we want it to be tight, tight, tight. Again, the whole goal here is to really braise this meat in the foil. Sure, there's a ton of different methods to roll this up and wrap it. The most important thing is that it's insanely tight. Now we're gonna put that Meter Pro back in. Again, we took this off at 135 internal temp. We're now gonna take this to 160 internal temp. Now back on a 250-degree Woodwind Pro.
2 hours later.
Okay, probably not 2 hours. This was more like 45 minutes, but now we are done. 160 internal temp. We've been resting it for about 15 minutes, and now we behold our gift. Would you just look at the juice and buttery goodness that has been trapped in this foil? This bird has been braising in it, and it is going to be incredible. Now, even though the bird has been braising in all this juice, it has not washed off this beautiful bark. Just look at it. Also note that fantastic smoke color, that beautiful mahogany that you got from all the smoke that hit this bird on the new Camp Chef Woodwind Pro. Now I wish this was smell-o-vision because it smells absolutely insane. Now one thing that you can kind of notice, there is about a ½ inch thick smoke ring all around this meat. It's always hard to pick up with poultry, but it is there. This was so juicy, it was so moist. Honestly, in my opinion, Texas-style smoked turkey has always been one of the unsung heroes of Texas barbecue. Now here's a pro tip: after you slice it up, add it back to that tray where all of that buttery, juicy goodness is just chilling. We're gonna cover this meat in that juice. And now the moment that we've all been waiting for, a little pull test and the taste. Like I said, insanely tender, and the flavor is out of this world. Trust me, this is the turkey you want for Thanksgiving.